It's beginning to look like Christmas. Yes, neighborhoods everywhere are starting to look like Christmas. So you've been looking at social media, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, wherever, TikTok, and you're seeing the new fad of permanent lights on your house. So you went ahead and you bit the bullet and you went and got you some. Maybe you got these right here, these Lumarines right here. Really, really nice, by the way. I'll have a link in the description to the full unboxing and setup of these lights. But you're sitting there setting them up, and you unbox them and you see this remote control right here. So you think that you only are limited to this remote, but you're not limited to this remote. You have so much more, and that's what we're going to get into in this video right here. So in this video, what you're going to do is you're going to go download the Lumary app, and I'm going to show you everything that this Lumary app has to offer. Okay, whenever you install your Lumary lights, you're greeted to this screen right here. Once you open up the app, you just click on it, and then of course you're greeted to the Lumary app itself and everything that you can do with these lights. So right now I have it on cool white. That's what it looks like right now on cool white. You can adjust the brightness of them. Let's go all the way down to 1%. That's 1%, which is still pretty bright. And of course there is 100% right there. You don't want cool white. You can go to a mixture between cool and warm, or you can go straight to warm white right there. Right next to it, you got color. Your red, your yellow, your green, your blue. And of course, we do have it on select all. So if you click on select all, you can actually change each one of these. Go yellow 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if you notice, if you look at over the garage, you can start seeing them. Look at that. I changed all those colors over there. So now say I want to go ahead and unselect. So we check them all. So now they're all there again. And now we're back to all. So if you go over to scenes, here's some of your scenes right here. Let's go to scenery. So you got quite a few different sceneries in here. So let's just go to Golden Lotus, Tropical Dawn, Palm, Beach, Sea of Fireworks, Fiery Night, Sunrise. And what this one does, it'll actually go through different colors, like if it's a sunrise rising up. Smoke fills the lake, Flower Blossom. Okay, we're going to go ahead and go over to life. You got read, work, relaxation, good night, spring bud, cool summer. I mean, there's so many on this screen. Go ahead and go to festive. So now here on festive, we got Washington's birthday, Lincoln Memorial Day, American Flag Day, Independence Day, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Easter, Victory Day, Independence Day, Christmas. Let's do St. Patty's Day. Okay, we go over to the next one. You got mood. So we can go dazzling, gorgeous, just like these lights. These lights are very bright and gorgeous. Sunflower, dreaming, forest, and then of course you got color. So you can choose here to say pale yellow, this pale yellow. Let's go to lamp pink. One of my favorites is crimson. Go down here to crimson. That's really, really nice. My daughter really likes that. She's a pink fanatic. Lamp green. Then you got rhythmic on here, which you can actually put on music. So like right now, throughout the holidays, you can put on some jingle bells or something like that. You got DIY. You can make your own. You got the AIIR. And what basically you do is you take a picture of something that you want. So you got a nice scene, and it's just like yellow and red and green. You take a picture of it, and what it's going to do is the lights are going to give you some scenes for that red, yellow, and green, and go into it. And then, of course, you got your save section, which you can save them. Now I'm going to go ahead and light up my whole yard. So 100% very customizable with these lights right here. The app is very, very easy. It's not intuitive. It's not hard whatsoever. Very easy. Remember, these things ain't just for holidays. You can use these all year long for ambient or accent lighting around your home. You have your little fire pit in the backyard, put it on some light, some warm light or something in the backyard with your fire pit going. Everybody's sitting around. Just got a glass of tea, cup of coffee, whatever it is, hot cocoa. Sit around. I mean, you got some very, very nice ambience. But yes, links will be down in the description down below with the best available prices that I have found for these. But I'm Thomas of Tomology. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like honest, 100% honest reviews.